Yo, what's happening, Captain? What's up and what's glorious? All of my children of the world and my children of the corn. Charles with the most, Paul Cantu, with a brand new little video today. This is actually going to be an interesting video, at least in my head. We'll see how it's executed in all actuality, but I want to start off this video by, of course, reading some nice literature you guys left in the comment section of my videos. On the last unboxing I did, which check out if you haven't already, this dude, Spill the Tea, said, Paul's the only guy I'll listen to talk for 11 minutes and 21 seconds. Now, I'll tell you, man, it took 11 minutes and 21 seconds for me to actually type that into Google, have it read back for me to know what it actually says, because you guys know I'm like Floyd Mayweather and I cannot fucking read.
All right, so here we go. Finally gonna be able to figure out what this comment is saying, because I can't fucking read. All right, English to English. Okay, here goes nothing.
Paul is the only guy I'll listen to talk for 11 minutes and 21 seconds.
Oh, bet. Oh, wait, hold on. How do you say this guy's name? Let's go ahead and see about this.
Played the D.
Oh, okay, bet. Norwegian?
But that's beside the point. Today, basically, the premise of the video is based behind some lock and key. So recently I found these keys, focus. Ooh, look at that. That's gold, baby. Recently I found these two keys, which are the keys to my P.O. box, man. These have been misplaced for like a damn year. I don't even know if I can, one, access the P.O. box. Two, I don't know what is up inside that thing. You dig? And three, I just hope there's actually some parcels and that they let me access it, because I have lost this key for the longest time. I recently discovered it. So basically, we're gonna see what's in my P.O. box after a year of leaving it dormant. And by the way, if you guys wanna send me some shit, then my P.O. box is linked in the description. But anyways, man, we got the holy key. So let's see what's inside my P.O. box, boy.
It's 199 Drake, so let me just play. It's Snoop Dogg, I'm on the mic, I'm back with Dr. Dre. But this time, I'm gonna hit your ass with a touch.
Okay, we're in here. I'm whispering like a fucking creep. Perfect. It just feels natural. There's no one around though. Okay, so there's 0218. And there's 0281. The Holy Grail. Oh, Versace? Bruh. Okay. I don't even know if my shit's still valid. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is like what my wallet looks like, just straight hundreds. So there's at least like 1,000 parcels in here. That's not good. Yo, so I just found the keys to my P.O. box, and I have all these.
Oh,
do y'all still have anything?
I still have them, man.
Oh, thank God, dude. I was
Come in
really
here, dude.
worried.
I was wondering who this
Dude,
is.
yeah, that was mine. Yeah, I'm the irresponsible one. Oh, man.
Come on in, man.
All right, bet. Oh, dang. Dang, it's lit back here, boy. Dang, this looks crazy. Oh, my God.
This one. This one.
Yo, what? Dude, thank you so much for holding these.
Dude, I've been holding these motherfuckers since.
I know. I recently just found my key. That's why I was like, oh, shit. But I'll be checking it now because I have them. Okay. Dang. Oh, that is ridiculous.
Cantu.
Jeez. Hey, thank you, Chief.
Back, man.
I know. I saw that. I was worried. Appreciate you, Holmes. Bruh. Oh, shit. Yo, look at all this shit. All right, class, we got a lot of stuff to get into. So I'm actually gonna save this package for last because it's the coolest looking, but we're just gonna try and fly through as many of these packages as possible. I'm sorry if this video is long, but I got a lot of stuff from you guys, and I really am so thankful and appreciative to everyone who has blessed me with some parcels. So I think we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 packages. Jesus. All right, in typical form and fashion, we gotta chop that shit right open with Trish. You know what I'm saying? All right, so we're up in here. I guess this person just has little Brandon wanted to send me stuff. Oh dang, there's a whole letter enclosed. Oh my God. Okay, this is really, really long, and I don't know how to read, as you guys saw earlier. But basically it says, "Hey Paul, just wanted to say I'm a huge fan of your videos. I've been watching you since I was in grade 9 in 2014, and I'm currently going into my second year of college. 4 years later, and I still watch your videos consistently." Damn. It says your videos not only help me dress better, but you've inspired me to dress the best for a low price as well. Okay, cool. And there's a bunch of other really in-depth stuff. I'm gonna read this in the privacy of my own home just to save time in this video, but I do appreciate you, my boy Hansel. Oh, the brother of Gretel. Shout out Hansel. Also a male model. And this is little brand. Oh, they're FB, not to be confused with FUBU. Flyboy clothing, and it looks like it has like a little chicken or like an abstract Bart Simpson right there. It has its own tags. It has stuff in a language I don't understand, but let's be real, I can barely even speak English. And then on the sleeves, it says Flyboy. So yeah, man, just really cool long sleeves. Shout out Flyboy. Got one in black, and then we also have another one. And this one is in the white variety. The garments feel nice to the touch of the skin, and I always love draping my nipples in some nice linens. So I appreciate you, bro. Shout out that boy Hansel and Flyboy clothing. Dude, I just be slanging this blade around recklessly. All right. Dude, you guys stay including literature, man. I appreciate that. What's your name? Christian. Aha. It says, "Paul, ahem, your videos are hilarious, and you stay finding absolute fire. This is a gift from us at Thrift Market on Instagram." Shout out them. Their IG's linked in the description, as is everything that you guys have seen today. Oh my dick. Wow. Okay. Okay. Okay, they came correct. You got that, "I'm a motherfucking star boy." Little Dallas Cowboys snapback, giant logo on it. You could literally rock this backwards, show off the little Cowboys, forward, show off the star at a little side angle, or up like this and look like a lesbian. So I definitely do appreciate this hat, and that's not a disparaging comment. I love all lesbians and anyone in that community, you dig? It says Cowboys on the back, logo athletic. Very clean snap, got that nice little AstroTurf green bean underbill. Vintage NFL Pro Line snapback, I appreciate that. And then we have another Dallas Cowboys shirt. This is size large. Ooh. God, they knew my size and everything. Yo, shout out Christian. All right, so you got the Super Bowl 30 at Dallas Cowboys. Super Bowl championship tee, very clean graphic, vintage logo 7. I appreciate you for this. I just love you guys so much, man. Like, if I could, I'd just marry all of you guys. Just have some nice, like, polygamous cult happening or something like that. So, thank you, Christian. And Vintage Market, I do believe, was your IG handle. Okay, we got another package. This one, nice padded envelope, ensuring the security, safety, and comfortability of whatever garment is enclosed. Appreciate that. Oh my God. Yo, this piece is crazy looking. Yo, who is this from? This is from Emerald Thrift from Fresno, Cali. So check them out, Google them. There's no note, no nothing. Just an out of context Western shirt with trill frill, bruh. Oh my God. Dude, I feel like I look like a mariachi in this thing. This is like straight up Barney skin, boy. Super soft. You got like, I don't know, dreads from someone off Molly. This nice little ribboning as well with little floral designs. What a piece, what a piece. And then this right here is looking like a little, I want to say xylophone, but I mean accordion. So thank you so much to Emerald Thrift for this shirt. On to the next. Okay, we got another box. This box already looks like it did the work for me of being opened in the mail. So let's just crack into, oh, this is a heater. This is a heater, okay. And we have another note in here. Oh, this is college rule, baby. Oh, but this fool wrote big as fuck in pencil. Cop this hat at a Goodwill for $3. Figured it'll look dope with your jersey. Shout out that boy Roman or Romaine Lettuce. Appreciate that, Roman. Yeah, this will look clean with the jersey. Bruh. Homie threw in the $3 starter. Motherfucking shatter print, electrocutioner, little explosion of awesomeness. This is sick, man. Looks like Little Spider-Man web in the red color variety. I appreciate that. Got the little starter logo on the back, star, NBA logo on the side. Got it. Oh, okay. We got a few garments up in here. All right, let's see what's good with it, man. Is there a note? Yes, there is. I love you guys writing these notes, man. This shit cute, bruh. It says, hey, Paul, what's up? Hope you like these 2 pieces. Keep them for your collection. If not, feel free to sell them. Damn. Okay. From Mike and Stephanie from Pittsburgh, PA. All little couples be watching my shit. Sometimes I don't think about like you guys, the viewers, actually watching. Like, I don't know, y'all could be like choking on the noodle right now and I have no idea. But yeah, man, shout out little thrift couples, man. Y'all cute as hell for this. All right, let's see what they sent me, man. It's a little striped, vintage, a vertically striped shirt. I could go to the club or to go visit Christ at church in this. So dual wield usage. Appreciate this striped little shirt. And then they threw in that little baby blue Adidas windbreaker. Yeah, man. Appreciate you, Mike and Stephanie. Ooh, this one got some weight to it. So shout out. There's no name on this. Never mind. This box also looks like it was punctured. Got shanked in transit on the way over here. So, ooh, this box got heat in it, bro. Like sometimes I can just like look at that little corner. You guys just caught a glance, man. Oh, and there's another note. Dear Thrift God, I'm 15 years old and from Atlanta. Your videos inspire me to go check out my local thrifts. All the items in the box were found by yours truly. Feel free to keep or sell any of these pieces. Hope you enjoy my finds. Much love, Kyle. Damn, I appreciate you, Kyle. Let's see your finds, bro. Wow, okay. Wow. Bro, this box needs to chill out. Why is it behaving in this manner? Like, look at this. Whatever, dude. So Kyle threw in a Barry Sanders, a little football card. Shout out that boy, Barry. He threw in a brand new with tags. Hanes, oh, this is more crispy than a Frisbee, bruh. Soft too. Hanes 1996 Olympic tee. Looks like we got another little Atlantean gem right here. Wow, brand new with tags again, little World Series tee right here. Bro, I wish you would have included an Instagram because these pieces are really fire and I really wish I could show love to whatever you're doing, bro. Another piece, the Atlanta Braves. Like, I can't thank you enough, bro. Like, for real, you did not have to do all this, but I'm so glad you did because all you guys' eyes are being blessed. Little NASCAR long sleeve, a Winston Cup. You got Dale Sr., baby. Up on that guy in 1992. I was not even a thought. I am a thought, but I was never like a thought even yet. I was an accident. Shout out my parents. Oh, okay. We also got my favorite item, bubble wrap. Nice. And a 1996 sponsored Atlanta Olympics glass. Very nice. And then last and certainly not least, to go with the Atlanta theme, he threw in this nice, wow, tapestry. This Atlanta 1996 towel. Very clean colorway, very beautiful. I cannot wait to just sniff this and see if it smells like the thrift. Not really, it kind of smells like nothing. Great work, Kyle. I appreciate you, man. Thank you so much, bro. All right, 2 more packages now, baby. Shout out my girl, Allie. She sent me this, a very good friend of mine. She makes a lot of clothes for women on Depop. So check out her Depop. It's Alexander's Closet. Oh my God, this fool wrote a note. This is like actually a friend of mine. That's why this shit's hilarious. Damn, your handwriting's not complete ass. Shocking. It says, yo, I hope you fuck with all these fubalicious pieces as much as me, or as much as me. I couldn't just send one thing, so surprised. I can see you rocking all of these, but you could totally sell them. Keep inspiring the youth, Allie. Wow. Dude, wow. Wow. What a person, dude. All right, let's see what the fuck she threw in. Oh, okay. She's doing the nice little FUBU button up right here. Again, another piece I can roll up to church with. In the hood, rocking, and then also hit the club and drink a little Henny. It also is brand new with tags, so appreciate that. Oh, nice. This is like a nice little cross-cultural collab. You got, the FUBU, Chinese or Japanese, whichever one is written vertically. collection tee right here in the baby blue Houston Oilers colorway. It says FUBU Jeans Collection on the back, or just Jean Collection, excuse me. It is singular and not plural in this case. Yeah, this shirt I definitely will be rocking and shocking. The button up, maybe I'll just wear it as a nightgown with nothing else. And then, oh my God, yeah. Why'd I get sent a child's... Bro, why'd I get sent a child shirt? Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. But the thing about FUBU is it literally fits like 8 sizes too big. Hold on, I'm gonna throw this child shirt on and it probably will actually fit me, bro. Hold up. Bro, I'm wearing a child's size medium shirt right now and it doesn't fit terribly bad. Shout out that boy Fat Albert, bro. Don't want to be popping these off in public. God, this video is long as fuck and I apologize. Last but not least, we have this box right here, which is multicolored, and a crazy. Jesus, dick. Okay, so we have a note right here, and it says, wow, hey bruh, my real name is America. What? Been following you for a while and a big fan of the custom creations you make. I'm an artist myself and I create custom apparel, shoes, and accessories. Unfortunately, I didn't get the chance to go to SneakerCon Dallas to give you one of my jackets. Everything was hand painted in here. His IG is @art_fox. So, appreciate you, bro. God, this is sick. All right, so you got the little love patch that's included. This dope little Tweety, little poultry drumstick. Nice little patch on a piece of canvas. Man, this is really nice work. I definitely appreciate anyone who is involved in the arts. And wow. Dude, this is a grail of all grails. Brother, your handwriting is really immaculate as well. You guys, look at this jacket. It says your ego is not your amigo. Damn, that's so true. Sometimes I do have a big ego, bruh. And it ain't my amigo, man. That shit ain't friendly, bruh. Oh, yeah. So got the skull right there, just dripping. A little rose, black. Has some nice little barbed wire going around the neck and the arms. It's a little distressed, but dude, this is some really good work, bro. The skull looks immaculate. Clean line work, nice shading. Mwah. Very beautiful. Thank you so much, bruh. What's your actual name? America. Yeah, man. Shout out America and no place else. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Show some love. Sorry it's really long. If you made it to the end, please leave a comment saying, bitch, I made it, ho. Or something without that much vulgarity. Live the dream, eat that ice cream. I'm locked and loaded. My P.O. box, again, is linked down below. I want to do more of these, and I love and appreciate each and every one of you guys for sending me stuff or just supporting in general. I'm out. Bye-bye.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.